Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. In this tutorial, we'll explore the buying settings in the buying function and specifically within the settings subfunction of Parsimony. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use these settings to customize your buying processes and optimize your procurement workflows. To begin, let's navigate to the buying module in the Parsimony dashboard. Click here to access the buying-related functions. Once you're in the buying module, locate the Settings tool. This tool allows you to configure various settings related to buying and procurement. Click on the Buying Settings option to access the buying-specific settings. This is the Buying Settings interface. Let's explore the different settings available and how they can be customized to suit your business needs. The first setting is the supplier naming by. When a supplier is saved, the system generates a unique identity or name for that supplier, which can be used to refer the supplier in various buying transactions. Next, we have the default supplier group setting. Here, you can configure what should be the default value of supplier group when creating a new supplier. For example, if most of your suppliers supply you hardware, you can set the default as hardware. The default buying price list setting allows you to specify the default price list that will be used for purchasing. This ensures consistent pricing across your buying activities. Once you've set all the necessary settings, click on the Save button to update the changes you made. Congratulations! You've learned how to use the buying settings in the buying function and the settings subfunction of Parsimony. These settings empower you to customize your buying processes and optimize your procurement workflows to meet your specific business requirements. Thank you for watching this tutorial.